Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. His name is my web, and guys, in this video I am going to create a navigation bar. That navigation bar actually is a fixed navigation bar. Okay, so now I am open my browser where I start my localhost /ecom, and here is my code. Okay, now I delete the h1 tag of that. Okay, now press the Ctrl S button, refresh it. Okay, so all is clear. Now I create a div which class name is wrapper. Okay, yeah. Now I'm creating another div. A div class name is nav. Okay, navigation bar. It's a navigation bar. Okay, now I'm going to the style.css file. Okay, and star. The star means is universal. Okay, so I'm set the margin and padding is 0 for universal and the padding. Okay, now dot navigation slash bar. Okay, 1 minute. Now width is 100%, the height will be 70 pixel. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, now background color is #4c4c4c. Okay, if you want to change the color of that, so you can simply click on the right click this color name and click on the quick edit. Okay, and you can choose the another color of as you want. Okay, okay, so I'm choosing the 4c4c4c. Okay, now press the Ctrl S button and check in your browser, refresh it. Okay, now as you can see that's looking good. Okay, yeah. Now I create a container class at here in this style.css file. So .con. Okay, we don't need because we have a bootstrap file. Okay, so I'm take a class div. The class name is container. Okay, the container is a class of the bootstrap file. So now I'm taking a logo object, so I create another class of div, the div class img. Okay, sorry for that, logo. Okay, now this is especially for insert a logo. Okay, now and in this tag I am created mg tag, and the source is in the images we have a logo.png. The logo is already created in my previous video, and if you want to download that, so you can click on the description and download it. Okay, now press the Ctrl S button and check in the browser, refresh it. Now as you can see that's our logo at here. Now I'm change the width of that, so width 150 pixel. Okay, press the Ctrl S button and check it again. Oops, sorry for that. It's let's check up that. Okay, it's looking good. Okay, now I delete that, and in the alternative tag we have a logo. Okay, and I am going to the style.css file and create another class, the logo. In the logo we have img tag. Okay, okay, sorry for that. I set the logo div with width and other height situation. So the width is near about 200 pixel, and its floating point is left. Okay, now again dot logo and img, and we have the width is 200 pixel, and from margin from top. Okay, the margin from top is 20 pixel only. Now press the Ctrl S button and check in the browser, refresh it. Okay, it's looking, go down 10 pixel. refresh it. Okay, it's perfect. Now as you can see, it's looking too good. Now we have, okay, what we have in the next thing is a search box. Okay, now I'm going to index.php, and that's our logo. And now I create another comment. This is a search box. Okay, I create a form tag. The action is currently I'm fed that in the blank, and the method is post, and we have an input which one is text, and the name is src search. Okay, search hyphen box or underscore box. Okay, and the class name is search, sorry for that, the class name is also search hyphen box. Okay, and now I take a button, so button, and what we have in this thing is the class name. The class name of the button is search button. Yeah, I think it's looking good. Search underscore btn. Okay, sorry for that. Now search. Now press the Ctrl S button and check in the browser. Refresh it, and here we have a search box, and here is a search button. Okay, I think we need to put the form tag into a div, so I cut that and create another div. Search. Okay, sorry. The class name is search hyphen area. Now paste that. Now our form tag is actually in the search area div. Okay, now I'm going to the div class search area. Okay, now I'm going to this italicized file, and here is a search hyphen area. The width is near about 600 pixel, and the height will be 70 pixel, obviously. Okay, and the floating point is also left. Press the Ctrl S button and check in the browser. Refresh it. Okay, here is nothing to change because we set a div, not an input tag class. Okay, now in index.php, what we have, the form input class, yeah, search box. Copy that and go to the statistics file and dot paste that search underscore box, and we have width, the one is 550 pixel, the height will be 30 pixel, the float is left, and now check in the browser. Okay, yeah, I think it's good. And the height, I think we need to change it to the padding. Okay, now oops, the 30 pixel is not enough, it's too enough for that, so I'm choosing that 10 pixel. Yeah, and from margin, I take a margin from top is 10 pixel. Okay, now the search area. Okay, now move to the search area again, it's a div. From margin left is 50 pixel. Yeah, and now what to do with this search button? So I'm simply go to this index.php and take a class name. Okay, it's a btn, the btn success. Okay, now check the browser. Yeah, it's looking good. Now what to do with search button? Dot search hyphen btn, sorry, it's underscore. Yeah, it's underscore. It's also from floating point is left, and the margin from top is 10 pixel. Okay, now press the Ctrl S button and check in the browser. Okay, I set the padding of that. Padding is also 10 pixel. Okay, and set the border radius is 0. Okay, now what to do with this search? Okay, I forget one thing is also font awesome, so you can simply go to the font awesome and click on that, the font awesome.io. Okay, and go to the home page for downloading the font awesome and download, click on the download free and go to the download local disk E and go to the gem folder. We have htdocs and in the ecom. Okay, and save it. Okay, make sure your version is 5.0.6. It's a latest version of the font awesome. Okay, now I'm going to do my folder structure, and here we have, yeah, htdocs. Okay, here is that. Now I'm extract that. Yeah, extract here. It's taking too much time for that. Okay, now, okay, as you can see, here is a folder svg with js. Now we need that. Okay, so now I'm going, okay, I'm go back and change the name of that, so I rename that. So I click on that and click on the rename with only fa, that's name is fa. Okay, now I'm going to do my here index.php, and from after the title tag we link that. Okay, so href, and we have a fa folder, and we have svg hyphen with hyphen js, and here is css file, and click on that. Okay, now I'm going to this js script. From the main.js folder we create a script, and here is the source. We have a fa and svg with js, and here is js, and find the font awesome hyphen all.js. Okay, now I close that. Okay, now I refresh that. Okay, so as you can see, here is a camera retro because I insert for check that. Okay, it's working on. So how can you find a search magnifying lens from this? So I click on the icon. Okay, and I find the search. Okay, so here is a search. Okay, and how to use that? So you can simply copy, and here is the search box. So I create I class. Okay, sorry for that, I click on that. Yeah, wait for that. And if you want to use, how can you use that? So here is a class, and you can simply click on this icon, copy code. Okay, it's copied. Now and delete that and press the Ctrl V to paste. Okay, now press the Ctrl S button and check in the browser, refresh that. So as you can see, here is the search icon at here. Okay, now I'm go back to stateless file, and where is our button? Yeah, I think we need to put the 12 pixel from top, okay, and the left is 10 pixel is looking good. Okay, now press the control S button, check in the browser again. Okay, hard reload. Okay, now it's looking good. Refresh that. Oops, sorry, it's a 12 pixel is enough for that, and from margin top is 8 pixel. Yeah, it's looking too good and so responsive for that. Okay, it's not responsive, but it's looking good. And now I put a placeholder in the input box. So here is the input type, so I write the placeholder. The placeholder name is search all the items dash dash. Okay, now press the control S button and check in the browser again. Okay, so here is that, and it's working on. Let's check what we have in the flipkart.com. We have a username panel, and here is a cart button. Okay, okay, let's go to this, do it in this video again. Okay, it's a user menu. Okay, take a div. The class name is user hyphen menu, and what we have, a UL tag where we have two buttons. Okay, login and okay, login slash sign up. Okay, and here is a li, we have a cart. Okay, now press the control S button and check in the browser, refresh that. Okay, so here is a login and cart button we have. Now I'm going to the stateless file. What we have? Okay, user menu. Okay, dot user hyphen menu. The width is 300 pixel. Okay, set the border 1 pixel solid white, and set the height also. The height is 60 pixel. Okay, now press the control S button and check in the browser. Okay, I don't know why it's coming. Okay, so now decrease the size of logo, so I click on the inspect element, and okay, now decrease the size of logo width. Yeah, I don't know why, but it's happening at okay, so yeah, here is the logo width. The width is, decrease the size of that. Okay, now 180 pixel is enough for that, so I decrease the size of logo width. So here is a 200, so I change into the 180 pixel. Come on, I don't need it. Yeah, and what to do with this? It's 200. Okay, and the float is also left. Okay, it's looking good. Or you can put this into the 250. Okay, now dot user, okay, it's float right. Okay, yeah, the user hyphen menu, we have a UL, float is also right. okay. And we have a user menu, and in the user menu we have UL, and the UL have li tag. So I write some styles for that. So first of all, the list style is none, the float is left, the width, okay, no, we don't need width at right now, okay. So height is 70 pixel, and the line height is also 70 pixel, okay. Now check in the browser, refresh that, and yeah, it's good. Now okay, set the width is here is the okay 125 pixel, refresh that. Okay, so yeah, we don't need to 120, 100 pixel is good. Now check the browser, yeah. Now text align is also center, and from the in the index.php I put an anchor tag, so I cut that, add anchor tag, and we have anchor tag. Now oops, the login slash sign up, and also for cart a hyperreference equal, it's blank, and we have a cart. Now press the Ctrl S button and check in the browser, okay, it's looking good. Now I remove the border of that, okay. Now what do we have? The user slash menu, maybe UL, that li have anchor tag, okay. I just experiment one thing in this anchor tag. Take a class text white, press the Ctrl S button, refresh that, yeah, it's looking good, okay. And it's also nav link, okay. Okay, I remove the line height, okay. Yeah, I think it's going good, okay. Now I remove the class, the all class of that, because we need to some specific of that, okay. So text decoration is none, and the color is white. Now press the Ctrl S button and check the browser again, okay. So both are looking good. Now we have a cart icon like this, so again I'm going to the search area box and click on that, okay. Go back and write the cart, okay. So here is a cart plus button, and it's a cart arrow down, it's a shopping cart. We need a some like this shopping cart only. So for using that, you can simply fas, sorry, the class, okay. Okay, sorry, for class equal double quotes, in the between the double quotes we write a class name fas for hyphen shopping hyphen cart, okay. Now press the Ctrl S button and check in the browser again, refresh that, okay. Okay, so we have a cart icon is also right here. Now I remove the sign up option at okay, press the Ctrl S button and check in the browser, Okay, so we have a login and a cart option. In the next video we create this a fixed navigation bar, but before that we need some contents for displaying it's already fixed or not. Okay, so in the next video I create another thing of like that. Wait, I open my next one thing, ecom. Okay, it's a search icon, it's my account, we have a cart. Okay, I sorry if I forget, it's my account. You can write the anything like this. Okay, the login the cart, or you can also write the my account, it's cart. Okay, okay, sorry, I it's have some hover effect, so you can put in this hover effect now. Yeah, dot user hyphen menu, we have a li tag, and what to do when we hover on this. Let's hover. The background color is also hash 14 ba15. Okay, now press the Ctrl S button and check in the browser. Okay, everything is looking good. Okay, now change the size of that user menu. It's 230. Okay, it's 300. Okay, and what to do with this, it's 300 or 300 is looking good. And this decrease the size of search area box, we need to 550. Okay, now press the Ctrl S button, and after that we increase the size of 125. Okay, now press the Ctrl S button and check in the browser. Okay, now it's looking good. Okay, I changed login into the my account as like this. It's my account, so I can go to this in the index.php. We have my account. Okay, and take another class, the icon class, equal fas fa user. Okay, now I cut this the icon and from behind the sheet. Okay, and I remove that. Now press the Ctrl S button and check in the browser. Now we have a my account option which have a user icon, and here is the cart. Okay, so I think it's looking good. Now as you can see, that's a fixed icon, and here is a mega menu option. So in the next video I create a slider. Okay, because it's I think I will make a mega menu, but in some future videos. So our next video topic is make a slider, and after that all the things. Okay, it's looking good now. So take care and stay with me. Happy coding.